So generally we have in examples repetition codes. So repetition codes is nothing but the rate will be calculated like 1 by 2 codes, where the 0 will be represented in 2 bits. So 1 by 2 means we are representing each and every bit with 2 bits. So 1 will be represented with 1 1 and 0 will be represented with 00. As in the same way, rate is equal to 1 by 3 code means we will represent each and every bit with 3 bits, that is 000 and 1 with 111. As in the same way, you can see the examples here. If the information bits are 001101, then we need to represent by using 1 by 3 repetition code, where 0 will be represented with 000 and 1 will be represented with 111. As in the same way, you could see the received bits having 1 bit error. So let us find the error. Here, in the first bit itself, it is having the error of 1 bit. So it is a single error bit, and you can see the double error bit here. Okay, then model of digital communication system. We generally have this model where information source and source encoder, then encryption and channel coding, digital modulation and channel, and digital demodulation, channel decoder and decryption, source decoding, and sync. Sync is nothing but the destination. So in information source, we will be sending some audio or the some kind of text. And source decoder, source encoder is used to make the data compression. So it minimizes the number of bits which are transmitted for unit time, and which will be represent the source output, and which represents the source output. And examples for source encoding are Huffman coding or Lempel-Ziv coding algorithm. And next is encryption. Encryption is nothing but we are going to secure our message, which can be like we are making its encryption, like we are making something which is not understandable by someone, so other unauthorized user. So we are converting our message to ciphertext as an example. So the encryption algorithms are DES and RSA system, where DES stands for data encryption standard and RSA is also there. So channel encoder. Channel encoder is nothing but the correct. It is used to make the errors. It is used to correct the transmission errors introduced by the channel. So we are anticipating that the channel is going to make some errors. So we need to correct them before getting sent. Before making the transmission only, we want to make some corrections. So for that, we will be using channel encoder. So it is nothing but introducing some redundant bits to the sequence so that it is easy to detect the transmission errors. So it is also called as error controlling coding and error channel or channel coding. So generally we used repetition code or low density parity check codes as a channel encoder. And digital modulation. Digital modulation is nothing but so whatever the signal we have sent out of channel encoder, that are of code words. So the word which is called a code word, it includes the repetition codes and all along with the message. So digital modulation is nothing but this will convert the code word into waveforms, right? So here is the thing. So mapping the code words to the waveform to transmit over the physical medium like channel. So generally we use modulation techniques as PSK and QAM. And then we will transmit by the channel, and the channel will introduce some noise. So channel may be wireless or wired. So it corrupts the transmission waveform due to noise or interference or fading or multiple transmission. And generally we have two types of channels, that is BEC, which is nothing but binary and error correction channels, and other one is binary eraser channel, or other one is binary symmetric channel. And the next one is digital modulation, demodulation. And in digital demodulation, we have hard demodulation and soft demodulation. And hard demodulation is nothing but to convert the received noisy waveform to the sequence of bit which is an estimated of the transmission data bits. So we are just making the estimate of the transmission data bits. And soft demodulation, we demodulate the output of the unquantized things. So it is like we are making the things to be which is having greater than 2 quantization levels, and this is the best way by which we can make the demodulation. And coming to the channel decoder will estimate the information bits and correct the transmission errors. So okay, so it performs its performance will be measured by using BER or FER. BER means bit error rate and FER means frame error rate. Generally, coded sequence it will be broken into some blocks of data frames, and through which we will be denoting that frame error rate. So After that, decryption is exactly the opposite sign of the encryption, and and decoding is also the same, and exactly the inverse process of the encoding. And sync is also, there is nothing but the destination. And going to the receiver section, as we have the receiver bit is equal to plus or minus v plus n, where v is the transmitted bit. So transmitted bit will have the n mean value as minus v or plus v, and n is nothing but the Gaussian waveform, which is nothing but, generally we consider noise as Gaussian, so we will make it as n. So n is a Gaussian with the PDF. We already knew this is the Bell type PDF, and the information bit which we are going to have here is v. So it is having positive or negative v. So we are making the mean values, and the final PDF which we can observe is like this, and we will have the error in between. So this is by using binary symmetric channel. If you are making use of a binary eraser channel, we denote with the two cutoffs of the from 0th point, so that we can make the decisions in between, outside that. So in this area we don't know what is the exact bit. So whatever the bit is in this area, we couldn't able to specify whether it belongs to 1 or 0. So this is about, but we will treat it as an error. So based on the noise property, the variance of the PDF varies. So based on the noise property only, the variance will be varying. So noise power is nothing but the variance. So noise power will leads to the variance. Means if you are going to have the thinner waveform, then it is nothing but we have noise less, and if we have wider waveform, then we have noise more. So means error will be more when the variance is more, and V is nothing but the signal power, right? So when V is greater, the error will be lesser. So V is greater. If we shift the V to some other side, like if we shift to here, it is here right now. So if we shift to here, then the error will be less because it got shifted. Means signal power has been raised. So this is all about that. And types of channel codes. Channel codes are nothing but block codes, and which so this is all about this part.